Hi, I'm Jarrett, and today I'm going to be discussing ways which the South Australian Museum can improve its sustainability. When I went on a tour of the museum, the first thing I noticed was that the lights at the entrance of the museum were on, even though it was a bright day and there was plenty of ambient light. This problem can be solved by using a light sensor, which turns the lights off when there's enough light and turns them back on when it's dark. The sensor reads the level of light present, and then if it's above or below a set value, turns the lights on, off and on respectively. This sensor would need to be placed in an area which matches the level of light inside the entrance, so the sensor turns the lights on or off at the right time. Some of the problems that may occur with this solution are lights not turning off while it's bright in the museum or not turning on when it's dark. This may occur because the sensor is placed in an area which the light level is different to the museum's entrance, or the light level required by the sensor was incorrectly set. The light sensor that I recommend is a weatherproof programmable light sensitive switch from HPN, and the light level about 200 lux, as it's a recommended level for public areas. Another problem I noticed with the museum is that the lights in the exhibits remain on even when no one is in them. This problem can be solved using motion sensors to detect when someone is in the room and turn the lights on. These sensors need to cover the whole room so the lights definitely turn on when people enter the room and don't turn off while someone is still inside. If a singular sensor can't cover the whole room, then multiple sensors should be used. These sensors also have a set amount of time after which they turn off, so they won't flicker on and off as people walk through. This delay can range from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. The motion sensor I recommend is the 360-degree PIR sensor from HPN. This sensor is mounted on roofs which are 2 or more meters off the ground, which most exhibits in the museum have, and has an 8-meter detection range. The feasibility of these ideas can be determined by weighing up the cost and risk involved in the implementation. Most of the risks involved with both ideas are general risks involved for use and installation of electrical equipment, which can be easily managed by hiring a professional. Another risk is that the lights turn off while it is dark or somebody is still in this room. This could cause the person to damage the exhibits or injure themselves as they attempt to leave the room while it is dark. This risk can be managed by modifying the parameters of the sensors, such as the light level required to turn the lights on and the delay before turning off. The cost of installing and running the sensors is small and is returned quickly with electrical savings generated by reducing the time lights are on for. So, because the risk and cost of implementing these ideas are small and manageable, the idea is feasible. In conclusion, the South Australian Museum's inefficient use of lighting can be improved through the implementation of light sensitive switches and movement sensors, and hence their sustainability will be improved as well. Thanks for listening.